Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Hope you're having a great one. The market is starting to rev up again. We're beginning to see some positive numbers, which is always a great observation. And we thought that, now we're in June already, we thought it might be a good time to start exploring some of the top upcoming crypto moonshots for the summer. In part one of this video, we're going to be exploring 5 such topics. As always, none of this is financial advice, but these are projects that we're excited about because with so many altcoin projects mushrooming, it is becoming increasingly difficult for the average investor or for anybody really to find out about undiscovered coins that hold that kind of moonshot potential that we're all looking for. So the key goal of this video is to unveil those crypto moonshots that have recently all of a sudden appeared on our radar for one reason or another. You guys can check out the source article on which this list is based. It is on altcoinbuzz.io. It is by Deepika. If you like this kind of content, guys, be sure to like and subscribe to Altcoin Buzz. All right, project number 1 that we're taking a look at is Cryption Network. They're building user-friendly DeFi 2.0 products really aimed at retail investors who are intimidated by the complexities of the crypto space. Don't forget, more and more people are entering this space all the time. It's not necessarily second nature to everyone just yet. So with their suite of products, Cryption Network is aiming to bring in a wave of crypto mass adoption. One of the spotlight products, which is called Polydex, will launch in June, and this will help Cryption increase crypto adoption, especially for the regular retail investors, by creating a gasless, instant, cross-chain AMM-DEX platform with elastic yield farming. And interestingly, Cryption Network will burn 50% of tokens received in fees, and 50% will be given back to the community via a staker. So far, some of the accomplishments have been impressive. Polydex is almost ready for launch and is currently being audited. Some tweaks have been done at the front end, and other product contracts are already done, and they're now in the testing phase. Cryption Network has some rather notable investors, including Master Ventures, AU21, Genblock Capital, CMS, Gravity X, and others. In fact, here's a look at some of the angel investors that made this project possible. You can also see here the team behind the initiative. Some initial comparisons are, in terms of competitors to Cryption Network, are DFYN and QuickSwap. Keeping the scale of competition in view, Cryption is offering some innovative features that can help with its strong placement in that competitive landscape. This is one of the reasons Cryption made it on our top list of crypto moonshots. Project number 2 is Mozik. That's M-O-Z-I-K. It's a decentralized music NFT, non-fungible token platform which aims to build a healthier and a fairer, more just music ecosystem. All the participants in that ecosystem, including publishers, creators, fans, can fairly participate. And Mozik, through blockchain tech, registers earnings through superstar IP, music copyright, and IP derivatives on chain. Artists are benefited from Mozik's platform because it provides incentives to them. All participants can share the rewards with high engagement from fans and much lower publishing costs. In terms of accomplishments, the test version of their product is now available. You can check out their website. We're on it now. It's mozik.cc. More information is available there. So far, Mozik has raised $2.5 million in private sale, and some notable investors include Kinetic, Paid Ignition, Magnus Capital, Master Ventures, and Chain Capital, of course, among others. In terms of IDO Launchpad platforms, look out, BSCPad, that's happening on June 6th, so just a few days really from now, from the time of this recording. And on Paid Ignition, that's happening June 7th of this year, 2021, of course. Mozik is going after the space currently occupied by projects like Audius, which has a fully diluted market cap of over $1.1 billion. So it's in that competitive landscape currently. Check out the website. Once again, you can also follow them here on Twitter, Mozik NFT. That's at Mozik Moz. Next up, at project number 3, we're looking at Lossless, which is now live, by the way. Lossless is the first ever DeFi hack mitigation tool. It's based on set fraud identification criteria, and it freezes fraudulent transactions and returns the stolen funds back to the owner's account. So the idea is that by doing this, Lossless aims to bring safety and assurance to the blockchain. Anyone can spot and report a hack, and in the process actually earn from that event as well. So it's an incentivization structure. So far, Lossless have started with the mechanisms that form the core of the platform, and they're currently in the R&D, or the research and development stage, where they are testing and creating the system. So far, the project has raised $2.245 million in private equity and $495,000 via the public sale. Some of the notable investors of Lossless include DAOmaker, Master Ventures, Magnus Capital, X21, and Cyberfi. And here on the website lossless.cash, you can take a look at the Lossless team as well as their advisors. The project is in competition with other projects such as Chainalysis, and you can also follow them, by the way, on Twitter. Lossless DeFi is the Twitter handle. We'll link to this, of course, in the description below. Project number 4 on our list is Trade Race Manager. This is a unique NFT trading game running on Polygon, or the Matic network, which connects gamers and traders. And in this game, the user's NFT car is reflecting his or her crypto portfolio. Users can participate in various paid or free races and win on the basis of cryptocurrency performance, i.e., how those portfolio selections are doing in the real world markets. IOI Corporation is behind the development of this game. They've also launched their IOI token, whose utility is to gain access to a farming pool and reward pool. The first version of the game, which is called IOI Game, was built on the Tron network and had a successful rating according to DApp Radar. They do have a few notable investors behind the initiative, including GBV Capital, Titan Ventures, Phoenix Crypto VC, Inclusion Capital, and others. In terms of similar projects and the competitive landscape that they're up against, well, some competitors include Reef, Aavegotchi, and Alien World. You guys can follow Trade Race Manager for all the updates here on Twitter. The handle is @IOI_game. And finally, at number 5, rounding out our list of top upcoming summer altcoin moonshots, we have FormationFi, which is introducing risk-adjusted portfolio construction of decentralized, open financial crypto assets using the basic principles of the risk parity movement. So through this movement or protocol, the same or better yield is produced with less overall risk. FormationFi is aiming to take the DeFi space to the next level by making yield farming much more practical. FormationFi resolves risk factors to some extent, due to which they are exposed to hedge funds as well. Risk parity protocol will bring familiarity to regular hedge fund managers, and that makes it an important project in terms of our crypto moonshots list. So far, there's been a total fundraising of $3.6 million, and some notable investors include Synthetics, Spark, Cosmos, AU21 Capital, Moonwhale, and GD10 Ventures. The IDO is being performed on DAOmaker, and the merit round is going to happen in a few days' time on the 7th of June. Stay up to date with the latest announcements courtesy of FormationFi's Twitter. @FormationFi is the handle. And there you have it, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, the first installment of our top upcoming moonshots for the cryptocurrency and altcoin space in summer 2021. Let's hope that the market continues to perform reasonably well. We are seeing altcoins picking up the slack and performing better than Bitcoin over the course of these last few days. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see what happens. Of course, none of this is financial advice, but should you choose to invest, we wish you all the very best of luck. Remember to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.